Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best ATV gloves on Amazon. A pair of protective gloves could be what sits between you and a few bruised or broken fingers in the event of a crash. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Cybertron Dirt Paw Unisex Gloves. Designed for both men and women, these gloves feature a mashup of different materials, including synthetic leather, neoprene, polyamide, polyvinyl, and polyurethane. This heavy-duty construction helps to make these gloves long-lasting and also keeps your hands comfortable. For maximum protection against injuries, the knuckles are reinforced with direct injected rubber featuring cool logos and graphics that make these gloves fashionable. You will get just the right amount of comfort from the moderate padding around the palms and fingers, and it also allows your hands to move freely. For the convenient operation of touchscreen gadgets, a touch-sensitive material is fitted at the top of the index finger so you can text or answer phone calls when on the trail. However, the Velcro fastener is fitted just above the wrist, and though it provides a secure fit, it can be somewhat uncomfortable, especially if you have larger hands. Number 2. Ilm Madbig Tactical Gloves. With sizes ranging from medium to XX large, these are a pair of fashionable gloves that sport alloy steel knuckles molded onto the gloves. They have an arc-shaped design to conform to the shape of the hand for comfort. The palms are designed with 3D plastic, non-slip lines to provide a steady grip on the brakes and throttle. Also, a section of the palm features thick padding to cushion the palms from injury. Connecting the palm and the thumb is an additional layer of non-slip leather for improved grip on the handlebar. Also, the thumb and index finger have touchscreen capabilities, so you don't have to take them off to use your phone. Although the knuckle protectors may not always align with your knuckles, getting the right fit by following the size chart provided by Ilm can help prevent this mismatch. Number 3. Azero Winter Gloves. A lot goes into making these gloves warm, dry, and comfortable, including a multiple-layer design with an artificial suede leather outer shell that's abrasion-resistant and a windproof inner sponge. It also has a thickened velvet layer and an additional non-woven cotton layer for comfort. The final layer that's in direct contact with your hands is an insulated cotton lining with a waterproof membrane, so you can dip your hands in icy water without getting wet. Also, the palms are designed with anti-skid silica gel to help you maintain a comfortable grip. The index finger and thumb are designed with touchscreen-sensitive material, while the wrists feature elastic cuffs for easy donning and removal. Keep in mind that the multi-layer construction makes the gloves a bit bulky, so it might be challenging to grab small objects like a zipper. Number 4. Confit Full Finger Gloves. Confit offers a pair of heavy-duty gloves that can be used for almost any outdoor activity. Available in small, medium, and large, these gloves offer full hand protection and breathability. They are made of pool leather and microfiber with air vents to enhance airflow during summer riding. PVC plastic on the knuckles and heavy padding on the fingers provides cushioning and protection for a safer riding experience. The palm area is designed with wear-resistant silicone gel for durability and enhanced grip on the handlebar. The index finger and thumb are designed with conductive metal fibers so they can work with touchscreen devices. A hook and loop closure at the wrists provides a secure fit and promotes easy wearing and removal. However, they don't provide much warmth, so they are best used when the temperatures are above 50 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, the sizes run a little small. Number 5. Kemomoto Summer Riding Gloves. These Kemomoto gloves are an excellent option for off-roaders and lovers of speed. They have a rugged design featuring multiple layers that are double-stitched for durability. The knuckle protectors are made of thermoplastic polyurethane, which can keep your fingers safe in the event of a high-impact crash. Each finger's top is fitted with a stretch panel for easy fitting and to promote optimal finger dexterity. Air vents between fingers encourage airflow and keep your hands cool even in the intense summer heat. The thumb and index fingertips are made of touch-sensitive pool leather for compatibility with touchscreens. The palms are designed with shockproof foam and non-slip material to give you a better grip on the throttle. It's also reinforced with palm protectors to prevent injury. However, the sizes run small, so you should consider going a size up when buying yours. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.